Hello guys, welcome back to ADITYA Financial Insight. In this video we are talking about a just token. So in 2 hours you can see 1633 percentage in just 2 hours. After the listing you can see 24-hour activity 0.8k and its volume 30.8k. I will talking about the discussion in the next. You can see age only 2 hours and its volume 30.8k. 73% buy and 27% sell. That means it will go more and more up. Market cap 9.08k, full liquidity 9.08k and full liquidity 2.9k. So thank you guys. This video my invitation partner BYET 143791. If you want to trade with BYET, you can join with my invitation code. You will got $100 as a offer. You can trade with BYET for crypto and Web3 trading. Thank you guys. Latest video information you can connect with ADITYA Financial Insight. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.